Hi, I'm Ryan Fincher. I'm the owner of Azle LaserWash here in North Fort Worth, Texas. We are a hybrid car wash offering 3 IBAs and 3 self-service washes, as well as free vacuums, fragrance machines, and other car care items. So we've recently upgraded our PDQ access systems to ICS technology. We did it for 2 primary reasons. Number 1, we wanted to elevate our customer experience. And number 2, we needed better insights into our business and how to better run the business. The process of doing so was much easier than I had ever expected. I had many concerns about this big change because the effect on our business. The ICS team was great pre-sales, pre-implementation, and post-implementation, guiding us the entire way, giving us all the resources that we could ever need to make this go off without a hitch. So the new ICS technology has impacted our customer experience by giving them a number of different things, multiple ways to pay. We're able to offer more customer-focused discounts, wash books, and things that keep them coming back to the wash and offer them things in return that we haven't been able to do before with the old technology. As for us with the business, it's really given us the insight, which was the most important thing for us, to really understand our customers, when they come to the wash, how they use the wash, which types of washes they're using. And by knowing that stuff, we've been able to change the type of washes we offer. We've modified our pricing a little bit to take care of the customers and their behaviors. And these are things that we never could have done with the old PDQ access systems. So we utilize the PDQ tandem machines here at the Azle LaserWash, primarily because we live in a semi-rural community where we have a lot of dirt and dust, and the customers demand that touch wash to get the best results. And what we love about these machines is they do give us plenty of flexibility from a programming perspective to ensure that we're offering the services they need. Specifically in this part of town, we have a lot of big vehicles, a lot of big dually trucks and a lot of big Escalades and things along those lines. And so this is one of the only washes in town that is big enough to allow those cars to come through. Wash Connect has provided us with one of the biggest benefits of the upgrade. I personally come from the data space where I spent 25 years helping large organizations understand how to run their business using data and making data-driven decisions. Wash Connect has given us that ability at the Azle LaserWash. Now we're able to better understand our machines, our customer patterns, and give back to the customers using these technologies. The great thing about it is I can access the data and my reports anywhere in the world, whether it be via my iPhone, whether it be via VPN from my home office, or if it's here at the wash. The customer support at ICS has been phenomenal and has completely exceeded my expectations. From the pre-installation planning, support, and on-site help, they've allowed this project to go off without a hitch. Since then, the post-support has followed in their footsteps and has been on point and very responsive to any issue we've had, even though it's only been a handful since implementation. The partnership between ICS and PDQ was a key decision point in my decision to move forward with this technology. These 2 companies together will allow us to pave the way for the future and continue to grow our business.